All right, y'all. So it's Saturday again, and it is time. Oh shit! I touched this plant. I just touched this other plant. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, I did not mean to do that. It's time for some plant chores. Okay. Last weekend, y'all know I was not feeling my 100% self, and the only thing I did was water my plants. I didn't do no insecticidal spray. I didn't wipe no leaves. I didn't fertilize. I didn't do none of that stuff. But I did buy a new plant. I did. And if you saw my other video, this is a plant that I bought. And now this plant has been here like a week or so. I'm seeing, hope you guys can see this, a couple of brown spots on the leaves, on the top and the bottom. So I want to get in this pot, see what's in this pot, and see what's going on with this baby. And repot it and see if I can, get it looking good. And most likely I'm going to prune these brown leaves off because I don't really like the way they look. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. And then I'm going to get to spraying my leaves down, wiping my leaves down, seeing the other plants that need to be watered, fertilizer one need to be fertilized, so on and so forth. So are you with me? Are you along with me for the ride? If so, let's go, girls. Let's go. All right, so now that we have it repotted and pruned, I am I'm still feeling some kind of way, y'all, because are these area roots or are these roots that need to be in this pot? I don't know, you guys, but it does look better. So I'm hoping this pot feels out. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm excited. Time to water and, you know, do all the things. So in the process of wiping these leaves down, what y'all see? What do y'all see? It's looking like I got 2 new shoots coming through. Come on. This baby still ain't got no name. I still ain't found no name for this baby. This one or the pothos. But yeah, y'all. Look at her. Or him. Or whomever it might be. Look at him. Okay, look at him. I'm excited. I'm so excited. This baby here, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I guess it just needs like a whole heap of sun because it ain't giving me nothing right now. I moved it. This side of the wall gets the most sun. It ain't really out right now because it's a rainy day, but still, y'all, it's just, I repotted it because it was in a much smaller pot, as y'all remember. I hope y'all remember. But I just want to see what this one gonna do for the spring, you know. I'm just ready to see it. I see this ZZ is ready, honey. Ready to show out. And I'm here for it. Here for all of it, okay? I've wiped these babies down. Still waiting on this leaf to unfurl. And this one. Like, still. And I still don't think this plant is getting enough sun. I really, truly don't. But for right now, it is thriving where it is. So, I don't want to move them. The croton is just, you know, not getting enough sun. And I realized that. I think I want to move it like right here, but I need a tall enough stand to reach this window. Because as you guys can see, this stand, I really only use 2 of the compartments on it because this stand is so small. Like, I don't know, I want big stands. And your girl did not know they was that expensive. But if I can get one of those like 3-tier ones that are much taller, that'll be awesome. 2 of those. I need 2 of those right here because I got it's a pretty big window. So yeah, that's what my plant chores are looking like today. I'm pretty much done. Y'all, when I tell you this is all that I have in this money, this is it. Like, I don't even know if these roots are any good or is it just they're dirty like that because they was in soil. I have like thoroughly rinsed them and washed them or whatever, but your girl got 4 smooth leaves from Miss Money. And Dottie, I had to throw her in the trash because she was down to 1 leaf. Like, so we can just say it's a learning experience. It most definitely is, but I'm truly trying to save this plant because I love this plant to pieces. I hope it lasts. It may not. So yeah, this was the reason I bought another pothos because this one was declining rapidly. And so I'm just here trying to, you know, save the babies. Just want to save the babies.